wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best auto-follow drones. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Coming from one of the biggest names in unmanned flight technology, it's no surprise that the prosumer DJI Spreading Wings S900 carbon fiber hexacopter packs a wallop in terms of both quality and cost. But if money's no object, it may just be the drone you're looking for. It comes with an A2 controller and a Z15 gimbal, along with an advanced satellite navigation system. However, the company customer support is hit and miss. At number 9, taking a wholly unique approach to unmanned flying, the powervision poweregg brings together a GPS/Beidou dual positioning system with gestural controls and curved arms that retract into the oval-shaped body to protect idle propellers and landing gear from loss or damage. It features orbital subject tracking and CMOS optical sensors, but it is heavier than other quadcopters. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Parrot Bebop 2 has a built-in 14-megapixel fisheye camera for taking high-definition pictures and recording videos at 1080p. It features multiple sensors for exceptional stability and a 2700 mAh battery for up to 25 minutes of flying time per charge. It's equipped with highly responsive controls and is safe for indoor use too. However, its low light resolution could be better. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for auto-follow drones, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, designed for professional photographers and filmmakers, the DJI Inspire 2 boasts interchangeable cameras with 360-degree rotation, 5.2K RAW image capture, cinema DNG and ProRes video recording, multi-dimensional obstacle avoidance, and dual operator control FPV capabilities. Its landing gear retracts out of the way, and it offers various autonomous flight modes. It tracks fast-moving objects easily. Moving up our list to number 6. Follow Me quads can cost a pretty penny, but the Hubsan X4 H501S isn't just a less expensive option, it also packs impressive features into its tiny frame, including GPS navigation and a 1080p HD camera, making it a great alternative for budget-conscious users. It's lightweight and easy to handle with brushless motors. It offers a flight time of about up to 20 minutes. Halfway up our list at number 5. The stuff of many a shutterbug's dreams, the DJI Phantom 4 Pro has a 20-megapixel 1-inch CMOS camera with a 24mm lens, 84-degree FOV and a recording bitrate of up to 100 megabits per second, and 6400 maximum ISO for video, all protected from damage by an advanced multi-directional obstacle avoidance system. It boasts MP4 and HEVC format motion capture, altitude hold for smooth recordings, and a 128GB microSD storage capacity. At number 4, using intelligent obstacle avoidance to protect its payload at speeds of up to 43.5 miles per hour, the yuneec Typhoon H Pro hexacopter has a 360-degree anti-vibration gimbal-mounted 4K camera for taking vivid snapshots and filming high-resolution videos in 8 different flight modes. This one builds a 3D model of its surroundings and is equipped with retractable landing gear. Its maximum flying time is 25 minutes. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Among those for whom snapping and sharing photos and videos are more than just passing fancies, gestural controls and intelligent flight modes are some of the coolest perks of the DJI Spark, which also comes with advanced image capturing and editing software. It features an extended transmission range, a dual-axis stabilized camera gimbal, and precise speed and maneuvering. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for auto-follow drones, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, a worthy homage to the Elite Phantom line, the Autel Robotics X-Star Premium features a 4K Ultra HD video camera, a quick-release gimbal mount, and dual GPS GLONASS positioning. It comes with an LCD controller, a 64GB SD card, and its own custom water-resistant rigid case. It also boasts magnetic interference protection, a fast-charging power supply, and an over 1 mile live HD tracking range. And coming in at number 1 on our list, with a frame that folds down to the size of a water bottle, the hallmark of the DJI Mavic Pro is portability. But a 4K 12-megapixel camera with a high-precision 3-axis mechanical stabilization system for capturing high-resolution image and videos sweetens the deal. It offers active track intelligent following, a top speed of 40 miles per hour, and up to 27 minutes of flying per charge. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for auto follow drones, or simply click beneath this video.